Folks, sometimes I feel like I'm the keeper of time and the seasons. We're already moving into the next one. We're doing an early spring vase arrangement in all the floor vases. Thought you might want to see right here on my take on Home and Garden. So the first thing I want to do, like you saw in the living room, I want to use a little bit of a background piece, a feathery green, just coming into spring, and that really nice plum color. You'll notice a lot of plum tones in the spring. Why? Because the buds are coming out, right? Especially the maples. Now I want to go certainly at least with these giant mums because of the size of this vase. I'm going to try to stay out of the way. We do have some fill in there, and I don't need it too crazy. And of course, the Christmassy frozen arrangements I'm going to take away. I love this Super Magnolia. Look at her. Alrighty, go, sister. And giant hydrangea. This vase can take it. I'm going to move them around a bit. We only have one of those. Now I don't always just put the one in the middle. That's boring, right? Now I want to break this up. A lot of white. We got some shorter plum pieces, and I think we'll just go in here like this. Okay, love this fern piece. See, by itself it looks natural. And just the little lambs here, and these they're only 10 inches long, but they'll stay, see now, with the big pieces as a base. And maybe this little highlighter piece, just to break up all that white. We want the white, but we don't want it lost in our arrangement. So as I step back, you notice, like you will do at your home, step back and look and give it a tweak. Oh my goodness, it's already done. Look at it. Now we're at our medium to large floor vase. And this is an odd one. So there's a pair, and this is a little bigger. And then our new one you saw with our Dunn's Attic Hall is a little smaller. So I'm looking at what I have, and I'm going to split it up accordingly. Starting off with these giant peony. Okay. Why'd we lose a leaf? If I don't fix it, here it is. It's off of this one. You know how it is. If you don't fix it right away, you lose it. It's gone. You'll throw it out. You'll get mad at finding it on the floor. Okay, these are really pretty. So obviously I got these vases filled And there's all kinds of things you can use. The peanuts, which I can't stand for the environment, but if I get something in the mail and they have them, rather than throw them out, I'm going to use them for fillers or other packaging. Oh, look at this. We got giant peony, giant lily. Now I've been avoiding the lily, you heard that before, but not anymore. We're coming into spring now. We have to be ahead of it. So spring is coming. And these vases won't get changed out until summer, possibly even late summer. So we want to be ready. Again, the different colors, even though they vary only a little bit, mostly textures, make sure you split them up, divide it up. And the biggie is the colors. You see how I worked them all around. And then this one's ready to go. And she's going over here. On the shorter booster table, and we'll make sure that's facing the way we want it. The arrangement and the vase, the face of the vase. Okay, I'm liking that. This table, it's a little higher, and it's going to be for the shorter vase. We want that to look a little different than the last one. Okay, how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to use some of what we used before, but the easiest way is to use something different, obviously. We're going to use this feathery leaf. Oh my goodness, cabbage rose. I'm going to save these peonies for the bigger vases. There's actually some with a pink cheek and some with a creamy complexion, like this almond color. I call it almond white. Really cute. But right now, we need this vase to be different so it can be an individual. We're coordinating the same room. We want individuals. Even if it's the exact same vase, if it's a pair, my take on it is that it should match, but it should be distinctly individual. Now look, no denying here. Ooh, we got magnolia. To go with the cabbage rose. Here's a white peony. That'll tie it up. Oh, that might do it. That might have to be it. I don't know. You know, when that lavender's starting to pop out, I want to get carried away. That talks Easter to me. Oh boy, I'm excited about Easter, folks. That starts putting on the colors. Look at this. Boy, wouldn't it be cool if I had an automatic follow cam, huh? Yeah, maybe someday when I'm 100. Okay, so here's my vision for this. Again, multiple heights, and they go together. That's as much pink as I can do without getting the willies. But I know a lot of people like it, and Easter time, and for the girls, there's no denying pink. Now here's our other, let's see, our floor vase. That's gonna require some real fill in here with these giant peonies. And this is part of a pair, so for the most part, this is gonna match the other one. I don't want that dominant because I think it's the last one I have in the giant. Nope, I'm gonna be all right. Look at that. There's one for the other one. Okay. I am seeing something like I always do. I want to put this pink one in the giant vase to balance the other one, which I wasn't sure about at the time, but you know, as we review and take a look, here's another big peony, and where you're gonna go, folks. Here's some pink, it's even frosty, dogwood, which I love using for these. And then these, again, these pink toned frosty magnolia just coming out. Holy moly, look at this. We're gonna want some of that old-fashioned almond cream colored peonies to give us a little skirt on this. And I wanna get that lamb's ear in here because of that tone. One other add too, I think. Do we dare say it? Is it close enough to Easter? Lavender! Just, if you don't agree, folks, for those that want to see the reveal, I'm on the last of the 5 floor vases. Here's our matching vase again. I'm going to come back. See, this big one just wants to eat them up. It's so big. And I do want that plum leaf branch in there. We got almost everything. And then our lavender. We'll pull that glad up a bit. And this is going here. Oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna have to take you and show you all around. Okay folks, now if you liked our spring floor vase video, give us a like, a share, a comment, send a busload of subscribers over. Take care now. Spring is coming right around the corner. Keep those hopes up, put that smile on, and you'll be planting geraniums before you know it. Thanks guys. Hey, we got a lot coming up. A lot of beautiful. We're doing blue and white. I'm wallpapering a wall in the living room. Coming soon. Take care now.